Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We just got the Ford fixed. Let's see if it'll start. Ah.
Let me see if we can start that.
Alright. It's really hot in here. Alright. Trying to get this latch. There we go. It's gonna be better. And I was hoping we'd get to drive this today. I mean, I don't know yet. Look at that. Jeez. Just all taped together. Can't hold it open. Look at that sucker. It's what be. There ain't another wire we just picked up. Where?
Right here.
Oh, right there. Where's that go to?
I don't know. I thought that one went there and these went here. Oh shit. Now I just pulled that one out. That might have went. So that one could have went to the coil and this one could have went to there. The brown and red also, that's brown and red. See, that's fucking bullshit. And that one's brown and red too. So that one's probably for that one. I was thinking that's for that. Could be this one goes to that one. There's only one there. Let me see the strippers.
Well guys, I'll see you when we get it hopefully running. If we don't... Alright, we might have gotten it fixed, we don't know. Oh, I'll give her a shot. Nothing.
Check the fuse box. See if they...
Alright, let's try again. Check the fuse box. There's one blown, but we think we got it. Nope. Hope that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you next. Yeah, I'll see you next video when we see if we can finish this.
Right on.
Because we need a test light. See if.
And it's too hot out here.
Yeah, it's like 85 down here.
Feels
And
like
I'm in
105.
pants. Yeah, I'm in pants. But yeah, until next time. Peace.